Hi, good morning, miss. I'm learning German since 8 months, but still I am not prepared, and tomorrow is my exam. Can you please help me with some tips and tricks?
Why not? Definitely, I will help you today with the last minute exam preparation. So, today I'm gonna share some tips and tricks which will help you to clear your exam tomorrow. Make sure that you're during the exam you are calm. So, stay calm, be focused, and do your best. That is also true that panic is normal, but it is completely useless. Yes, it is completely useless. So, again, refocus, right?
Oh, that's really good. Thank you for boosting me. Can you please give me some tips the night before and morning of what should I do exactly?
Yes, that is most important. The night before and the morning of the exam. Make sure that you are reviewing your cheat sheet. What are your common errors you are doing on a regular basis? So, you should check that. Review the radiometals, go through with the radiometals and the phrases because it should be on your tips. Listen to the short German news, clips, videos, shorts, reels. It will help with your listening and all. But make sure that you're not learning any new German vocabulary. And very most important that you are arriving at your exam center on time, or make sure that you're arriving a little bit earlier. So arrive earlier with your IDs, passport, pen, whatever are the requirements, carry those and arrive on time.
Yes, you are right. I should reach my exam center earlier with my IDs, passport, pens, and all. But it will be great if you help me with each module. Can you help me with hearing listening? What are the last tips you would like to give me?
Sure, let's start with Huron module then, listening. So before you start listening, read the questions carefully before the audio starts. Make sure that you're underlining the keywords, for example, wo, wann, wie, woher, meine, any other word. Underline the keywords, only the keywords. Now, during the first playback, understand the text carefully, and during the second playback, hit the correct answers. So, during the first, you have to understand the text, and during the second playback, hit the correct answer. If in case you have missed any word, sentence, or answer, don't stop. Move on. Make sure that you're writing all the answers and don't leave a single one. Right?
That sounds really good. I will follow the same pattern which you have mentioned. Can you now help me with lesson last minute tips that what should I do? How should I complete my questions? How should I read the paragraphs? Please help me with this also.
Definitely. In lesson module, before you start, read the questions and then read the titles, heading, subheading. Don't read the paragraph first of all. Read the questions. Then come to the titles, headings, subheadings, and then I will recommend you to scan the paragraph that where does the answer contain. Instead of reading it, scan it. Now, again, read the question and find out the answer from the scanned paragraph. Now, definitely there will be some new vocabulary, so don't panic. That's normal, but you can guess. But make sure you are not spending much time. Right.
Yes, you are 100% correct. I shouldn't spend much time on each question. Otherwise, I won't be able to complete my lesson exam. Thank you so much for this tip. Now, can you please help me with Schreiben? That how to write an email or Mino? Please help me with this also.
Let me help you now with Schreiben. Now, for Schreiben, you have to follow the structure: introduction, main part, and then conclusion. So, Einleitung, Hauptteil, Schluss. Make sure that whenever you're writing an email, Meinung, you are using connectors. Use B1, B2 level connectors. Use proper metals. And yes, answer all the questions. With this, you have to use a good vocabulary of your B1 and B2 level. Most important, reserve 5 minutes at the end to correct your errors. Errors, for example, there could be errors of verb conjugations, verb positions, articles, nouns are capital or not, Nebensätze. So make sure you are reserving 5 minutes.
Yes, understood. I should reserve 5 minutes to check my errors. For example, verbs at the end or not. Is it the correct article? Are nouns are in capital or not? I should check those. Now, the last and the important part, expression. Can you help me with the speaking part also? That is the most important part of our exam.
So, expression is not that much difficult, it requires only regular practice. So, before your expression, you will definitely get 15 to 20 minutes. So, use your preparation time wisely. Note down the stitch water, don't write the complete sentences, only stitch water. Speak clearly, neither too fast nor too slow. And 3 minutes means 3 minutes. Now, during the discussion, if you get stuck, move on. Ask the next question. Keep your conversation alive. Don't take a long break. Make sure that you are using ready metals, grammar, vocabulary, sentence structures are correct, and listen to your partner carefully, then answer. And yes, definitely during the expression, smile, there should be eye contact, be fluent, and don't get nervous. I hope it will help you.
Oh, that's great. You helped me a lot today.
Some last few tips before you leave. Allocate your time for each and every section. Answer everything. Don't leave a single question. Be energetic during your speaking exam. Remember always that your competition is you only, not your partner. So stay calm and be positive. Breathe, think, and do your best. All the very best for your exam. Thank you.
Your tips are truly wonderful and so helpful. I'm feeling now more confident and excited to do my best during the exam tomorrow. Thank you. Hey guys, if you also like the video, then please like, subscribe, and share. Bistan and cheers. See you and bye.